Today we're going to be checking out our oversized folding camping chair.
Our oversized camping folding chair is going to be 25.2 inches long, 36.61 inches wide, and 39.37 inches high, and it's only going to weigh a total of 13.2 pounds. It also includes a large seat area with 600 by 300 D padded Oxford fabric and a padded armrest to ensure comfort of this chair. The frame is going to include a hammer-toned powder coating to prevent corrosion and fading. The sturdy steel frame construction can support up to 450 pounds. It also includes a durable mesh cup holder and armrest at the perfect height, which is going to allow you to relax in comfort. It also has a side storage pocket that you can put a drink or multiple drinks in. The folding camping chair is easy to set up and fold in seconds. It collapses down to just 9 inches by 39 inches and weighs only 13.2 pounds that can be stored almost anywhere.
Why is a rocking chair so universally loved? Because of the sense of total relaxation and stress relief it creates. The Freestyle rocker from GCI Outdoor is a portable rocking chair for all of your on-the-go adventures. With a patent-pending spring-action rocking technology, the chair rocks smoothly with its uniquely designed rock shocks. The Freestyle rocker provides a smooth and relaxing rocking motion on soft or hard terrains. The Freestyle rocker is constructed of sturdy powder-coated steel that supports up to 250 pounds. Other features are padded armrests and a convenient beverage holder. The Freestyle rocker folds up quickly and easily with patent-pending Easy Fold technology. Just pull up on the handle on the side of the seat to fold the chair. It has a convenient carry handle that lets you take this chair with you wherever you go. The Freestyle rocker is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating, music festivals, watching sports, and any outdoor activity. GCI Outdoor, the experts in portable recreation gear.
The King Kong chair by ALPS Mountaineering has been a fan favorite for over 10 years. Our highest weight rated chair, the King Kong, has a beefy powder-coated steel frame with a generous seat width of over 24 inches. 3 large pockets keep your gear off the ground, and the 2 cup holders are a great feature for those summer days. Perfect for the campsite or your kids' soccer game, the King Kong easily folds up into its included carry bag.